If you have just started your first job, this will save you years. आप घंटों काम कर सकते हो, जो आपको बोला जाए आप वो सब कर सकते हो, and then you can still end up average. I did the same for months. I used to work for long hours, पूरा time busy रहता था, and the worst part is I used to feel that I am doing everything right. But nothing was moving forward. I was not seeing any real growth or recognition. And over the time, I realized no one teaches you how to grow in your first job. So, here are the 3 things I learned the hard way. These 3 things would help you grow and would save you years. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a bonus tip on how to prevent burnout. So, the first thing is being busy is not equal to being valuable. Most people in their first job are just busy. Emails, calls, small tasks. They are constantly involved in one work or another. Although it feels productive, but it is not. In corporate, no one rewards you for how tired you are. They reward you when things actually move in the right direction. I understand that operational work is part of the job. You cannot avoid it, but you can reduce the unnecessary work that you are doing. What worked for me is I started asking right questions to the people. For example, what do you expect from this job? What outcome are you looking for? Could you please send this over an mail? I also started putting up timelines. अगर किसी चीज़ को करने के अंदर 1 दिन का टाइम लगता है, I won't say कि 1 घंटे में कर दूंगा, whatever the pressure may be. You have to hold your ground. So when you cut the clutter of the unnecessary work, you get time to focus on the right things. Second thing is, if your work is not visible, it does not exist. A lot of people think कि I'll just work hard और सब लोग मेरा काम खुद ही नोटिस कर लेंगे. But this does not happen because everyone has got their work. You need to communicate the things that you have worked on. To make this happen, you need to speak in the right meetings where there are right stakeholders present. You need to prepare your points. You need to be concise. You need to communicate the work that you are doing. And this is not for attention. This is to make sure your work and contributions actually count. Third thing is keep track of your work. A few months from now, you won't remember कि आपने किस project पे क्या काम किया था, क्या contribution किया था. You should maintain a folder where you keep all the key projects you have worked on, the key contributions, the outcomes of it, and any recognitions that you have received. Because this is the one thing which would help you not only in your internal appraisal conversations, but it would also help you find a new job. If you are applying for other jobs, this is the portfolio that you would have in your mind and in front of you that you can discuss on. Now coming on to the bonus tip, this is the one thing which helped me prevent burnout. आपको पता होता है कि आपका कौन सा busy season है, तो बिजी सीजन के बाद यू शुड टेक सम टाइम ऑफ, और ये चीज़ आपको अपने मैनेजर को 2 to 3 months इन एडवांस कम्युनिकेट करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका दिवाली बिजी सीजन है, तो दिवाली ख़त्म होने के बाद व्हेन यू हैव वर्कड अ लॉट, टेक 3 to 4 days ऑफ. दिस वुड हेल्प यू रीसेट, रिचार्ज एंड प्रिवेंट बर्नआउट एंड यू वुड कम बैक बेटर. तो आपको अपना फर्स्ट जॉब इसलिए मुश्किल नहीं लगता क्योंकि वो डिफिकल्ट होता है, वो इसलिए मुश्किल लगता है बिकॉज नो वन टेल्स यू हाउ द गेम वर्क्स. बट वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, everything changes.